Good day, everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to update PatientXpress plugin on your Open Dental or Practice Web. First, right-click on Open Dental or Practice Web and click Run as Administrator. Once you logged in, just click on the PX and you will see a page like shown on the screen. You will now need to click on the Support button and click Update PatientXpress. You will now see this screen after doing the last step. On this page, just click on Full Patch. It will now start to download all necessary patches for your workstations. Once completed, you will receive this kind of message as shown on the screen, and that's it. You have successfully updated your PatientXpress plugin. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one.